So I'm standing in our brand new facility in Vander, North Carolina, which is a suburb of Fayetteville, North Carolina. We are uniquely positioned to service both the coastal areas of North Carolina and also the largest growth area in North Carolina, which is the Triangle, Raleigh, Durham, Chapel Hill market. This project represents about 3 to 4 years of hard work and planning coming together. We have reimagined this facility. The original pipe plant was built in 1964. This facility's been here for quite some time. This is phase 2 of what we hope to be 4 phases in the complete build out, where we transform this older plant to a brand new sterling example of what concrete pipe and structure manufacturing looks like in the future for decades to come. I'm extremely proud of the facility that we've built, knowing that it's the first of its kind in Oldcastle in the U.S., and hope that it will be the model for other plants that are being planned within the Oldcastle system. So it's an honor to be at the helm of such a cutting-edge facility.